Hey friends, it's your old pal Terry here, trying her luck. Tonight I get to go to a show, another fancy show with my good friend Ma'am Jen. Howdy, howdy friends, it's your old pal Terry here. I told you I was going to meet with Ma'am Jen. Look, there she is, Ma'am Jen, and the country gals. Here we are. We're going to see the lovely divas of, what is it called?
Divas of Country. Yeah.
The Divas of Country, or maybe just me. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I might just make myself all the way up to the stage. I got my dancing boots on. All right. See you later, partner.